Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I'm so excited that the March 2020 Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin came in the mail yesterday. So it brought a little bit of happy mail to all of this chaos going on right now. And it's very appropriate with the rain boots because it is raining again today. So that is spring weather for you, but I still love it. I'm hoping for a little bit more sunshine soon, but you know, kind of take one with the other. So this one is the No Matter the Weather, and I'm so excited because this is Stampin' Up's 7th birthday for Paper Pumpkin, so it actually has 2 stamp sets in it, and I can't wait to see what they are. So let's open it up. Oh wow, they're actually 2 very detailed stamp sets. So I'm so excited. It looks like we have 2 clouds, and then we have just some like a background sprinkled image, a flower, raindrops, hearts. This almost looks like bricks. This one says, wishing you brighter days ahead. No matter the weather, we're in this together. Let love grow. You are capable of amazing things. So super fun. Then this one actually has like a doorstep, like a door front with steps and like flowers around it. A bushel basket of like flowers. Then a bunny rabbit, he's adorable. Here's some rain boots. Some cute wellies. Oh, these are like the rain boots, and then these are like a pattern on the inside. So like here's the rain boots, and then you can see like here's the rain boots, and then here's the ones with the flowers on the inside. And then of course there's like grass and everything, and it says I believe in you. So those are super, super cute images to use for a lot of different cards. I'm very excited about those. I kind of thought one was going to be more images and one was going to be more greetings, but it's actually kind of like half and half. So exciting. Perfect spring things as well as like all occasion, because you could totally use those baskets for other things too. The color is basic gray, so that's perfect for a lot of stamping and coloring and things like that. And then we'll toss the box aside. Look how cute those are. I'm so excited about this kit. So let's pop it open. Okay, so of course we have our instructions here with those color images, because I like to look at the picture rather than read the instructions. But of course there is all the instructions on the inside and the ruler on the bottom so that you can use that to measure out your twine. I think I saw twine in here. Yes. Little piece of cardboard. We have our dimensionals. We have our, ooh, there's like little clear epoxy raindrops, and then the glue dots, and then there's some green and white baker's twine. And then let's see what we have over here. So there's, I think, 12 total cards. It looks like some of them have this fun green pattern in the envelope, and a yellow pattern, and like a peachy pattern. So super cute. And then our card bases, we have that cute pattern with the rain boots. And then, ooh, look at these. These are die cuts. So there's the rain boots with the flowers, the bunny, the hearts, more boots, more flowers. So many cute little images. And there's a lot of sheets of those, 4 sheets. And then here's another card pattern. And these all have white insides. These are note card size, but they are still mailable. So note card size is still mailable. And then this one kind of a little bit more stormy, cloudy looking with the grass there. And then here are some labels. So it looks like we have both the pink and blue labels, and then we also have these circles. The circles do have like a stitching around them, and these, it's not like a poked through stitching, it's like a little white printed stitching on both ends of both of the labels. So super, super cute. I can't wait to put this together and feel the spring love and send out some cards, because now that we are social distancing, then we have to deal with, you know, social media or snail mail or that sort of thing. So I will be sending these cards out as soon as I can so that I can continue to socialize with others and make people know that we're still thinking of them, even if they aren't out and about and things like that. So my suggestion to you is to stamp a card and enjoy some stamping therapy today as well as every day. And mail out or text or call someone just to make sure that they know that you're thinking of them, so that we don't feel that isolation and that sort of thing during this time. So I hope you guys will have a wonderful day. If you liked this unboxing of the March 2020 paper pumpkin, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And I'm going to try to do some Facebook Lives here and there, but you can also check out my Facebook page. I'll leave a link down below for that so you can see any of those lives in case I'm not on here doing any more lives. So kind of hard to go back and forth between Facebook and YouTube to try to provide those live interactions of stamping together. So I'll leave links down below for that, and we'll see you guys all next time. Have a wonderful day and happy stamping. Bye-bye.